Hello everyone! Today we're gonna do tandoori in your house. I'm from Central Asia, currently living in Chile. Of course, I'm craving my bread from my country. With Dutch oven, no cover, we can imitate this process. It does this smoky taste like in tandoori. Let's get started. First, we need to do our stiff levain. The fermentation time for stiff levain 8 to 12 hours. Normally I do it before going to sleep. For this we need active sourdough starter, water, little bit honey and flour. Mix everything together, and the important part, put in a jar, mark your jar and wait until tripled in size. It depends on the room temperature. For example, if you are in a winter time, probably it will take 12 hours. If you are in a summertime, 8 hours would be enough. As you see, it's tripled in size. This is important. The key of the success result, it's preparation. Before doing your dough, I suggest you to prepare all of ingredients, check it, that you won't forget. Second part, doing our dough. First, flour, salt. Make sure that salt is everywhere. When it's dry, it mixes really well. I mix like this. Then I open in the middle, put my water, butter, and all stiff levain what I prepared in the evening, because now it's day when we do main dough. Look at, when it's sourdough is really active, it's always floating like this. If it's going down, it's signs that you over fermented. Then just mix it. First what I do, I'm trying to dissolve my starter with water and butter. And after, when it gets one consistency like this, I just mix everything like this. The dough should stick on the lid of the Dutch oven. That's why the recipe requires to have a dense consistency. It's gonna be like this. Look at, still there is no enough water. Don't worry, it's part of the recipe. If you have stand mixer now, it's time to use your stand mixer. If you don't have a stand mixer, what I suggest, just leave it like this for 30 minutes and after to knead it, because when you leave it gluten with water, autolyze, it will cut your time of kneading. This recipe, it's not first time I'm uploading. I was not using stand mixer, but now I'm gonna use stand mixer. And now 10 minutes of kneading in stand mixer. Okay, we take it out of our dough. Next, what we're gonna do, we take our dough, it's ready. Look at how it's clean. I know that it's ready. And I'm gonna do one bowl, because I need only one bowl. The dough is beautiful, doesn't stick in your hands. Try to do nice bowl like this. Okay, then oil, the dough will not stick. I always use this size because it should be doubled in size. When it's gonna be here, I know it's time to work with my dough. Okay, see you guys in 4 or 3 hours, depends of our dough. When it's double in size, even it's getting even more, now it's time to come back to our dough. From this quantity, I'm gonna have 3 bread. I take out my dough. Look at, because of oil, it helps take out easily. I do like this, that I can divide. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I shape my dough like this. And leave it rest. Meanwhile, you should heat your Dutch oven. 30 minutes. And now it's time to do our bread. First we need only one. Here everything is hot. All of your things what you're gonna use should be prepared, because it's gonna be so fast and so hot. Be careful. We're gonna just shape our dough. The classical shape of the tandoor naan, the Kyrgyz version. In Russian we call it lepeshka. Naan, it means bread in my mother tongue. Okay, I do this shape. Then, next step. Lid, it's in the high temperature. We take our lid. We do like this. Flat. And how we check? Look at. Really hot, okay? You wet your hand. You take your dough. The glue is the water. You took like this, and after here. Don't afraid, push it, push it. If you will not push hard, it's gonna just fall down. Believe me, I did a lot of things. Okay, then do this, because it's going down. Because the dough is really fermented. That's why we need this space that it could breathe. Then egg wash, egg yolk and milk to have a beautiful color. Poppy seeds, classic from my country. Okay, here it's really important. First you take the gloves, fork, just to push it, help to push. You take a lid, you do like this. You take a lid, you put in the middle. 1, 2, 3. It's in 10 minutes and it's gonna be ready. It's only 8 minutes, look at. But there is some smell of burning. I decided to check it out with you guys. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, still 10 minutes. We need to wait 2 minutes more. Now it's time to check. Yes, now it's ready. Look at how it's beautiful. The hard part here, it's take out from this. I will show you the way how I take out. I take a scraper and just push slowly like this. Okay, voila. It's stuck a little bit, it's cooked, it's okay, but important that after we need to clean everything this and to put it heated again and for the next one. In the end, look at, you're gonna get this beautiful bread. Thank you for your attention. If you're interested in sourdough, please subscribe, and if you have some questions, comment. Or if you are happy to have this recipe also, you can write your comments. See you next time.